Welcome back to Simon Family Motorsports. This is my 1998 Ford Ranger with, I believe, the original exhaust on it. It's blown out now. I'll show you guys underneath, but right now I'm going to do a start for you. My race truck. And right after you get up underneath here, you'll notice this whole bottom canister split, as well as this whole entire back piece has separated. So it just makes a bunch of rattling. No big deal. We got this USA made OEM replacement. This is a 118-inch wheelbase, long bed, 98 Ranger. OEM replacement, basically. OEM style replacement. Out with the old, I just cut it with a Sawzall because it was way easier. Those clamps and pipes were never coming apart. Looking good. Just sealed up the joints. Time to test it out. Much quieter. Sounds so much better now it's quiet again. If you guys like this content, make sure you subscribe. I have other Ford Ranger videos, but mostly dirt bike stuff like Stark Varg, powder coating. So hey, stay tuned. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.